Hello everyone, I am Saganesh, Assistant Professor. Today I am going to explain the continuation topic of differentiation. Friends, we have already discussed different methods and some examples regarding this concept. So here also we have to learn some new techniques. Before going to the today's class, I would like to congratulate Kamal Kumari and Ratna for your good response in previous classes. The new method of today's class is Method 5. Suppose the given problem is in the form of d by dx of f of x whole to the power of g of x. Here f of x is a function and g of x is the another function. Then the shortcut technique is f of x whole to the power of g of x by f of x into f dash of x plus log f of x into g dash of x. This is the shortcut method to solve the problem whenever the differentiation is in the form of f of x whole to the power of g of x. Now let us see the problems regarding this concept. Now see the first problem, y is equal to x to the power of cos x. So in the place of f of x, that is x, and in the place of g of x, here it is the cos x. So x and cos x are the different functions. So no need to evaluate this term. Now we have to find the dy by dx. dy by dx. So by using the simple shortcut technique, we can easily get the answer for this problem. Now let us see. Here the shortcut method is f of x whole to the power of g of x. So that is x whole to the power of cos x of g of x by f of x. Here g of x is the cos x by x and into f dash of x. Here f of x is the x, then f dash of x is the 1 plus log f of x. Log f of x is the log x into g dash of x, d by dx of cos x, that is minus sin x. That's all. Now see the another problem. So here f in the place of f of x there is a tan x, and in the place of g of x here it is the e power x. Now see what is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, so we know the shortcut method, that is f of x whole to the power of g of x. So same, right, as it is tan x whole to the power of e power x of g of x by f of x. Then g of x is the e power x, so e power x by tan x into f dash of x. Here f of x is the tan x, then f dash of x becomes secant square x. d by dx of tan x becomes secant square x plus log f of x. So log, what is the f of x value? That is tan x. Log tan x into g dash of x. Here g of x is the e power x, then g dash of x is also e power x. So this is the answer for this question. Now see the another one, that is y is equal to cos 2x whole to the power of sin square x. So the same method is applicable for this also. So here f of x is the cos 2x and g of x is the sin square x. So write as it is for the first term, f of x whole to the power of g of x by f of x, that is sin square x by cos 2x into f dash of x. Here f of x is the cos 2x, then f dash of x is the sin 2x minus sin 2x. Again we have to differentiate with 2x with respect to x, then it becomes 2 plus log f of x. Here f of x is the cos 2x, so log of cos 2x into g dash of x. Here g of x is the sin square x, so g dash of x. So we know that formula d by dx of x square, that is 2x. So here also 2 sin x Now we have to again differentiation sin x with respect to x. So that is sin x differentiation is cos x. So this is the right answer for this question. Now for your practice, I just want to give a small question for you. So give the answer on the comment box. That is, fourth question is y is equal to sin x whole to the power of log x. Then dy by dx is equal to. So do the practice at your home and give the answer on the comment box. Now see the another method of this concept. Now see the another shortcut method, that is method 6. Suppose the given problem is in the form of y is equal to f of x whole to the power of f of x whole to the power of f of x and so on infinity, then y dash is equal to. So in previous method we discussed only the two functions, that is f of x whole to the power of g of x. So now coming to the method 6, here it is the infinite series. So f of x whole to the power of f of x whole to the power of f of x whole to the power of f of x and so on infinite. So whenever is in the given function, the given differentiation is in the form of like this. So here observe this, f of x, here the first f of x is whatever, the same f of x is to be continued till the last term up to infinity. Now no need to evaluate this infinite series whenever you know the shortcut trick. So but before doing the shortcut trick, just know how it is traditionally it can be do. So let us take one example regarding this form. Suppose y is equal to x whole to the power of x whole to the power of x whole to the power of and so on infinity, then y dash is equal to. So without applying our traditional method, so how to solve by using the traditional method? Traditional method means normal way. So before doing this problem, we have here it is the powers of the all the functions up to infinity. So let us take it is simply y is equal to x to the power of y. Here y is the whole to all the powers, x to the power of x, x to the power of x. So this is our taken term. Now apply the log term on both sides, then it becomes log y is equal to, so whenever we are applying the log on log x to the power of y, so that implies log y is equal to y log x. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x, then d by dx of log d by dx of log y, that implies 1 by y. Again we have to differentiate with respect to for the y, that is dy by dx, that is equal to, so here this is in the form of uv. We know the formula for that, u dash v plus u v dash. So differentiation of uv formula is u dash v plus u v dash. So here u is the y and v is the log x. So y, u dash means dy by dx, v that is log x plus u that is y. So v dash, d by dx of log x is the 1 by x. So taking dy by dx log x into the left side, then taking common dy by dx. So dy by dx is dy by dx of 1 by y minus log x, that is equal to y by x. Now we have to find the dy by dx for this y. So by using this above equation, the dy by dx is becomes y by x whole by 1 by y minus log x. So here we have to simplify this again and again by simply taking LCM. So by taking LCM, the equation becomes dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to, here the LCM of this denominator is y. So taking into numerator, that is y square, and taking the x in the numerator, taking into denominator, so x of 1 minus y log x. This is the final answer for this question by using the traditional way. So here we are using the 3 to 4 steps to solve this question. So this same question is solved by taking a single step whenever you know this shortcut technique. Now see the shortcut way to solve the y is equal to f of x whole to the power of f of x whole to the power of f of x up to infinity. So the shortcut technique of this method is dy by dx is equal to y square by 1 minus log y into f dash of x by f of x. This is the shortcut method to solve the differentiation is in the form of f of x whole to the power of f of x whole to the power of and so on infinity. So here it is also written as dy by dx is equal to y square by 1 minus y log f of x into f dash of x by f of x. So by using this term or this term, we get the same answer. So before we are doing a traditional method problem, that is y is equal to x to the power of x to the power of. Now by using this technique, the given problem, so here f of x is equal to x. Substitute f of x in the above term, that is y square by 1 minus y log f of x. Here f of x is the x into f dash of x. Here f dash of x is the d by dx of x is the 1 by f of x is the x. So the same answer we are getting in the previous problem. So by using the shortcut method, we can solve the each and every problem. Whenever the problem is in the form, we are getting the answer by only the single step. No need to apply the logarithmic properties, and no need to do the differentiations. No need to take the common terms. By simply getting the answer by knowing the shortcut way. Now see some other problems regarding this method. So this is another problem, that is y is equal to sin x whole to the power of sin x whole to the power of sin x up to infinity. Here the f of x is the sin x. From this problem we identified f of x is sin x. Then the shortcut method is dy by dx is equal to y square by 1 minus log y. So y square by 1 minus log y into f dash of x. Here f of x is the sin x, then f dash of x is the cos x by f of x. Here f of x is the sin x. So that is equal to y square by 1 minus log y. So cos x by sin x is the cot x or 1 by tan x. So this is the answer for this question. Now see another question. Y is equal to e power x whole to the power of e power x and so on infinity. Here also the f of x value is e power x, and the shortcut method, that is dy by dx is equal to y square by 1 minus log y into f dash of x. Here f of x is the e power x, then f dash of x becomes e power x. F of x is also e power x. They cancel each other. Finally the term is y square by 1 minus log y. Or there is another shortcut way. The same way is that is dy by dx is equal to y square by 1 minus y into log f of x. So here f of x is the e power x. So log e power x into f dash of x by f of x. Here also these are cancel each other. So the answer for this question, this is also right and this is also right. So depending upon our options, we can choose the correct answer for this question. So for your practice, I would like to give some examples for you. Y is equal to a power x whole to the power of a power x whole to the power of a power x and so on infinity. Then y dash is equal to, and another question, y is equal to tan x whole to the power of tan x and so on infinity. Y is equal to log x and so on infinity. So solve these problems at your home and give the answer on the comment box. Now see the another shortcut method of differentiation. So the next method is method 7. So in the method 7, the differentiation form is also infinite series. That is, suppose y is equal to square root of f of x plus square root of f of x plus square root of f of x and so on infinity. Then y dash is becomes. So whenever the given problem is in the form of infinite series, then we can simply find the y dash by using this shortcut technique, that is dy by dx is equal to f dash of x by 2y minus 1. So this is the shortcut method to solve the problem whenever the problem is in the form of this infinite series. Now see some problems regarding this concept. Now see the first problem, y is equal to square root of cos square x plus square root of cos square x plus square root of cos square x and so on infinity. Then y dash is equal to. So simply we are having a shortcut technique, that is f dash of x by 2y minus 1. So we have to know the f of x from this form. So here f of x is the cos square x. F of x is the cos square x. So then y dash is becomes f dash of x. F of x is the cos square x. F dash of x is the, suppose this is in the form of x square. d by dx of x square is the 2x. So 2 cos x. And again differentiation cos x with respect to x. So d by dx of cos x is the minus sin x by 2y minus 1. So this is the answer for this question. Now see the another question, y is equal to square root of sin x plus square root of sin x plus square root of sin x and so on infinity. Then y dash is equal to. So this is not only by using the shortcut method, we can do this problem by the traditional way. Now see the traditional way for this problem. So here we have to take y is equal to square root of sin x plus y. So here root sin x plus root sin x and so on infinity, and the entire term is to be taken as a y. So squaring on both sides, y square is equal to sin x plus y, because of square and root are cancel each other. So differentiation of differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So d by dx of y square is the 2y. Again with respect to x, this becomes dy by dx, that is equal to d by dx of sin x is the cos x plus with respect to x, the y becomes dy by dx. So taking dy by dx into left hand side, 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to cos x. So taking common dy by dx, dy by dx of 2y minus 1 is equal to cos x. Finally we have to get the dy by dx, that is y dash. So dy by dx is equal to cos x by 2y minus 1. So this is the answer for this question by using traditional way. So by using shortcut way, the answer is f dash of x by 2y minus 1. Here f of x is the sin x. So f dash of x is the cos x. So cos x by 2y minus 1. So by just observing the problem, we can easily get the answer. No need to take these steps. So that's why I'm telling the shortcut way, the shortcut methods are very useful for time saving and accurate answers. Now see the another problem. So now see the another problem. Y is equal to square root of log x plus square root of log x plus and so on infinity. So y dash is equal to f of x is here. F of x is the log x. d by dx of f of x, that is f dash of x is the 1 by x by 2y minus 1. That's the answer. So by simplifying 1 by x of 2y minus 1. So and this is for your practice, and mention your answer on the comment box, and as well as mention your time taken to do this problem. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned for more classes regarding the mathematics.